What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Porodo fan. So some of you guys, if you don't know about that, well, this video of today, I got my bad boy here with me. This is a Porodo fan from Porodo, and this video of today is sponsored by Gadgetronix. For all your tech needs, just go to Gadgetronix and all the links will be down below in the description. So for further ado, let's get started unboxing this bad boy and see what's packed inside. So that's what's up. So to open this kind of bad boy, it's really kind of easy. There's kind of some few stuffs here, so you just have to open up the box. Greeted by USB, which is a normal micro USB, which is something which is so great. Remote for the fan controlling it. I guess this is turning it on and timing and changing mode and wind speed and different kind of option which you can use for your fan. Here we have it. This is our fan here. Let us just open it up real quickly and set it up. Whew. So this is like our fan stand. As you can see, guys, the fan stand, it's this one, and you can peel out here and insert this kind of fan inside there. So it's really kind of worth it. So guys, if it's your first time installing this kind of fan, it's a little bit kind of tricky. Now here comes the crazy kind of part. So after you have kept it in a proper lock, that kind of segment, make sure that you rotate this kind of stuff first. This one, I mean, just keep on rotating it and rotate it on this kind of side. Just rotate it just like that. Keep on rotating up to you can hear a certain hardness, then there you leave it. So keep on rotating, don't get tired, just do the thing. It's really kind of tight right now, and what's next, it's all about turn your bad boy on, and you have the remote on the go. Just press the button of on. There you go. You can see the fan is up and running. And another kind of stuff, you can change different kind of wind speed. So we're having the we are at second wind speed. I can change to it was first. Right now we're in second wind speed. We can go to third wind speed. It's really, you can hear even the wind. This is like only third wind speed. So there is only third wind speed on this kind of bad boy. You can change modes. This one is a little bit kind of normal mode. This is like, yeah, I'm pushing there, which is something which is so great. We're having another kind of mode which it's just like night, so it has like a forest mode and a night mode. This is a night mode which I've turned it on, so it doesn't take that kind of too much of power, but it uses that kind of lightness of power to enhance that kind of mode. And another kind of great stuff, you can set time on this kind of bad boy. I mean, you can just hold timer, just make sure that you have linked it with your kind of stuff here. After holding timer, it can enhance its own selves after some few minutes. So it's really kind of brilliant for this kind of remote to give you all those kind of functionality. So as you can see, this is the wind speed. It increases the wind speed. This one is the mode, which you can change the lighter mode and the heavy duty mode. Another kind of stuff, this is all about timing, as how I discussed, and this one is the oscillation. Now check out the oscillation, how it works. You can see how much the oscillation makes the fan rotate, just like that. The fan rotates in different kind of positioning to enhance those kind of fan, you know what I mean? So it's really kind of brilliant to give you this kind of fan, this kind of feature throughout Porodo products, how much they have enhanced throughout their products, which is something which is so awesome. For the people who think that this fan is just the only size which it has, and you might be saying, man, why did I buy this fan? Well, you can just push it on top here, somewhere here, and you can see you can extend it as much as you want, and that kind of extend, you can take it far away and you can see how much it has gone far away, which is something which is so great. You can keep it as much as the height you want, and it's really kind of great throughout this kind of height which it is. So you can see I can take it far away up to there, which is something which is so great. So if you're sleeping, you can just have it there, and you can even rotate it this way to give you that kind of wind throughout your rotation or throughout the fan, which how much you would like. So this is something which is so awesome. I really like this kind of product, the way they push it. And you can see I've turned on the fan, and right now the fan is just doing its own thing. I can change the wind speed just like that. I'm on 3 levels of wind speed, which is really kind of brilliant right now, and this is something which is awesome. As you can see guys, here at the back it's just a normal micro USB. So this is the USB which comes with it. You can charge it here, and it can gives you for almost like 4 hours of charge time. That kind of 7200 mAh of battery, which it's really kind of great for this kind of bad boy. It can last up to 24 hours of the fan to be on, which is something which is so great. Or on your daily basis you can use it, and it can gives you up to 2 days. Or if you don't want to use it, you use just some few hours, then you use it again, it can push it through up to almost 3 days, and it's really kind of great fan to be having. Jumping out to the conclusion, is this fan really worth it for you, or you're like, man, this type of fan is not like my thing? But to be honest, this kind of fan, it's really kind of brilliant for the people who are on the go. If you want to travel with this fan, it's really kind of great. You can travel with this bad boy anywhere you want, and it's really kind of easy kind of carry, and it's an easy kind of stuff because it's packed with a bunch of bigger juice, the bigger battery out of it, and it gives you all those kind of ingredients. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of great and amazing video. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys. Peace.